Pay close attention here. What I'm going to explain here today, you would definitely get goosebumps, and I would try my best possible way to explain on this topic. And today we are going to cover the topic called jealousness. So yeah, accept this with all your honesty. At some sort of up our lips, we felt jealous on those things which we craved badly. Either it can be a person, it can be any career, or it can be anything. So I don't have that much of ideas about the relationship. Most people immediately lead their mind into the relationship when we talk about the jealousness. So I don't have that much of idea when it comes to relationships and jealousness to that category. So what I'm trying to explain here, that jealousness usually comes from the not doing hard work, not putting that much of efforts. Look, let me make it very simple. You are jealous just because you see the other person that he or she achieving the particular thing which you craved badly once in your life. So the same particular thing the opposite person achieved. How he or she achieved that? All because of hard work. Now you are feeling jealous. Come on, we are human beings and we do feel jealous. That's a natural thing. So accept this. So in other simple words, you're not feeling jealous, and the jealousness is not coming from you even. It coming from the main thing called hard work, efforts, time, and the laziness you're doing, or the delay on the things which is needs to be done you're doing. So there are the many things that jealous is coming from, that particular things like hard work, delay, and kind of stuff. So you need to figure out this. Till the time you're not figure outing anything that where this exact jealousness is coming from, you will stopped by your ego. Your ego will hold you back to not do the things. Your ego keeps telling you that the person who achieved anything, either it can be he can be a cricketer, or she can be any other doctor kind of things. So your ego keep telling you this thing that the other person achieved by doing shortcuts. Meanwhile, the other person never did any shortcuts, never take anything to achieve that particular thing. They all did hard work, and you are avoiding that. Keep that in your mind. Do the hard work, stick with one plan, and keep going on. That's all I can say.